In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ClickUp app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm you've got the official desktop app on your Windows PC. Before we begin, make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in to a Microsoft account on your computer, since the Microsoft Store uses that to manage downloads. First, open the Start menu on your PC. You can click the Windows icon on your taskbar or press the Windows key on your keyboard. If your Start menu is set to show pinned apps, great. Otherwise, you can just start typing right away to search. Next, open the Microsoft Store. If you see it pinned, click it. If not, type Microsoft Store into the Start search and select it from the results. The store icon looks like a shopping bag with the Windows logo. If you're prompted to update the store or sign in, that's normal. It helps ensure downloads work smoothly. Once the Microsoft Store opens, look toward the top for the search bar. On most Windows 10 and 11 layouts, it's centered near the top edge of the window. Click into that search field to activate it. If your window is small and you don't see the bar, maximize the store window so the search field appears clearly. Now type ClickUp into the search bar. Be sure to spell it as one word with a capital C and U, ClickUp. After you type it, you'll see suggestions or results appear. If nothing shows right away, press Enter to run the search. From the results, select the official ClickUp app. Look for the recognizable purple and white ClickUp logo and check that the publisher name matches the official developer. Glance at the ratings and description to confirm it's the desktop app you want. Avoid anything that looks unofficial or has a different publisher name. Finally, click Get or Install. The exact button text may vary. If it's your first time, you'll usually see Get. If you've had it before, it might say Install. The store will begin downloading the app and show a progress bar. This can take a moment depending on your internet speed. If the button is grayed out, try refreshing the store, checking your connection, or ensuring Windows is up to date. When the installation completes, the button typically changes to Open, and Windows adds the app to your Start menu automatically. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the ClickUp app from the Microsoft Store. If you need to revisit any part, feel free to pause and replay. Thanks for watching, and enjoy getting organized with ClickUp on your PC.